Hello everyone, I'm Annie, the Asian news reporter. I will be delivering daily updates on the major developments in the Asian market. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated with the latest Asian news. You can also hit the icon to receive notifications whenever we release new content. Today, August 25th, brings positive news for investors. Following yesterday's announcement of commission rate cuts by several securities firms, more have joined in response to regulatory calls, passing on the course benefits to investors. Another significant development is the housing policy favoring the real estate market. Today, China's three regulatory bodies jointly released a policy that recognizes properties without factoring in loans, whether buyers have prior loans records or not. As long as they prove no existing property ownership is considered the first home purchase. This policy's adoption includes in city-specific policies is expected to drive replacement demand in Taiwan and two cities. And that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Bye!